Hi and welcome to this video. So today we're going to make keys to this rav4. It's a 0104 and we've made the key. So there's the key, flip key, and we've got a remote ready to go, and we've got a transponder. So here we go, battery's on charge, got 14 volts. So let's put the key in. Actually, I haven't tried it in the ignition, so let's just do that first. Okay, that works. Let's turn off all of this. Okay, immobiliser light is flashing. Put the key in. Still flashing. Okay, let's get into it. So, Toyota rav4. I've got a fly in here. rav4 03 to 06. That's the right one. Connect. Turn the ignition on. It's now on. Okay, we're going to do immobiliser reset. Oh, sorry, that's the 30-minute one. We don't want to do that one. We want to do the quick immobiliser reset. So we need to stop that process. And it's not going to stop it, so we're going to have to time it out by taking the key out. Might even have to disconnect. I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, it failed. Beautiful. Quick reset. I'm going to have to put the key in the ignition. I should have turned it on. There should be a couple of minutes. Mobile light will be flashing. Lights on solid, sorry. Okay, I'll pause and we'll come back once that's done. Okay, we've finished the process. It was just a matter of, we just cycled the keys a few times. So let's have a look. Mobile light should flash. And it does. So I've got the transponder in my hand just there. So as the Toyotas go in, as soon as you put the key in, the immobiliser light will go off. So I've got it in my hand and we will do that. Immobiliser light goes off straight away, which means it's a master key. This one is a 32. We can start the car now. It will crank, but I won't because it's still on the battery charger, so I don't want to put voltage back into the battery. And we've got a program in the remotes now. So okay, all keys lost, rav4, all done, remote programmed in, and that is it. Thanks for watching.